So in this video we are going to talk about doctors, medical specialists. So in the last videos we have learned about personality types with their roots. Now we are going to learn about doctors. So in this particular video we are not going to learn about any root. We are just going to know what a particular doctor does. And then the next session we will learn the roots and all. So yeah, doctor and medical specialists. So the first one that we have is internist. So what is the work of an internist? Internist gives a thorough physical examination. They can perform blood tests, x-rays, cardiograms, and overall general health checkup. So yeah, and then yeah, actually thorough internal checkup. Then gynecologist. I think you already everybody already know that what does an gynecologist do. So gynecologist specializes in disease and health of female reproductive organ, and its patients are women and adolescent girls. Then we have obstetrician. Obstetrician delivers babies. They take care of mothers during pregnancies and monitors mothers and child immediately after birth. So yeah, obstetrician is, you know, you can remember it, linking it to pregnancy. So it basically, uh, take cares while take care of pregnant women and delivers the babies. Then we have pediatrician. Pediatrician specializes in children's health, growth and development, diet supervision, childhood disease, and vaccination guidance. Like it protects he or she protects newborn babies from common disease like chickenpox, cough, and all. And yeah, uh, these specially limits this his practice to youngsters, taking care of babies directly after birth and supervising their diet and watching over their growth and development. Okay, so yeah, and yeah, due to this specialist, there has been so much decrease in infant mortality. Then we have dermatologists. I think everybody can understand what a dermatologist do. So yeah, it's for our skin. They treat disease of hair, skin, and nails, like mainly skin specialist. Then we have ophthalmologist. Ophthalmologist treats disorder of vision and eyes. And the common problem they treat are myopia, cataracts, and vision defects. They can prescribe glasses, administer drug, or perform surgery. Then we have orthopedist. So orthopedists take care of our bone, treats joints, skeletal system like club foot, slip disc, curvature of the spine, hip dislocation. Then we have cardiologists. It's very common. Treat disease of heart, blood vessels, circulatory system. So remember, he or she is a heart specialist. Then we have neurologist. What does a neurologist do? Treats disorder of brain, spinal cord, nervous system. You can easily remember as neuro to nervous. Then we have psychiatrist. So this specialist treats mental disorder, emotional disturbance, and they give therapies, counseling, and medication. And the demand of psychiatrists in this modern age is surprisingly, it is increasing very, they are so in demand right in this time. Now we'll have a quick revision. Internist, general internal health, thorough internal checkup, gynecologist, female reproductive organ, obstetrician, pregnancy and childbirth, pediatrician, children, like kids, dermatologist, skin related disease, ophthalmologist, eyes, orthopedist, bones, cardiologist, heart, neurologist, nervous system, and psychiatrist, mental health. So in this video you will think that we didn't learn any root, what is this, and but I just wanted to give you an overview of the words, or from which we will extract our roots and find out some new words as well. So yeah, that's it for this video. Just you don't need to remember them. In the next video, when we will learn the roots, you will automatically memorize all of them. Now just you need to have an overview of all these. So in next video, learn the secret roots behind all these words like gynae, pedo, neuro, cardio, and many more. So you don't need to worry about that. Will definitely learn the roots and some more words coming out of only these roots only, like we saw in the past sessions. So yeah, that's it for this video. Here you can see the quick revision, and yep, bye. See you in the next video.